Ultrasonic cleaning is a thorough, fast and safe way of cleaning small and difficult to clean parts. Ultrasonic cleaners use high-frequency sound waves to create millions of tiny bubbles in the liquid solution. The dirt is loosened and removed from any surface that the liquid touches. The Laser Tools Ultrasonic Cleaner has a generous 13 litre capacity and stainless steel construction. To demonstrate, we will clean this very dirty car engine throttle body. Plain water can be used, but we recommend adding a cleaning concentrate. Then, as this component is heavily soiled, we will set the temperature to 60 degrees. Once the solution has been brought up to temperature, place the component to be cleaned into the basket, then submerge in the solution. Now set the timer. We will try 10 minutes for this task. The bubbles expand and collapse rapidly, the energy release creating an intense scrubbing action which is equally as effective on unseen small crevices and blind holes as on visible surfaces. The result is a successfully cleaned component. The Laser Ultrasonic Cleaner also includes a drain valve to drain the used solution cleanly and safely. The Gunson Ultrasonic Cleaner also has a stainless steel tank and is designed for smaller car parts and items such as jewellery or coins and numerous other items. Again, cleaning concentrate is added, and this time we will clean these dirty and tarnished metal watch straps. The timer is set, in seconds this time, and then the on button is pressed. You can really see the dirt being liberated from the close metal mesh of the straps. Another excellent cleaning result.